Hi guys, it's me, Lisa Scientist Kids here, Dino DaVinciMi and our special guest, Epical Avery. Today's project was brought to you by Mel Chemistry, and today we are going to be doing rocket fuel! An explosion! To make rocket fuel, you first need a tray.
Then you need a stove.
Then you need a candle.
Then you need a stovetop. And you put it like
Lay down like that.
that. There, like that. Next, we have these elements. This one's called calcium nitrate.
So we have these elements called calcium, nitrogen, teldrin.
Next, Dino. Nitrate.
Wait. This one element is called potassium hexagonal 2.
This one is called potassium hexaaldehyde.
Better for me. Better for my man. Potassium hexyl. What? I don't know. Potassium hexyl. And then one group
Of each. Fire.
Fire.
Don't forget to mix.
So you put the chemicals in the middle and make sure the candle is in the middle too. And then you get a match and then you light it.
You light the candle up.
Light the candle up. And what do I say?
What do you think's gonna happen?
It happened. I get fire.
What kind of fire?
Called a big, it blow up again.
And what's gonna happen?
It happened like a bullet, like me.
Is it gonna go kaboom?
Kaboom, beer. No,
The roof is on fire.
it's been on fire. I'm going back home. I'm going back home. Where will I go? Crazy birds. Oh my God. Those houses.
So what do you guys think's gonna happen?
I think it's gonna explode.
Oh.
I'm gonna stand
I think it's gonna be very hot. Yay! Avery, we're doing it. You just missed it.
I kind of want to be creative to get the stuff that I need.